Sa dami po na nagtatanong yung kaso po, civil lawsuit na isinama po ng Paradigm versus Senator Manny Pacquiao. Ito po, pakinggan po natin mula po sa YouTube channel ng Play It Right ni Dean Quinito Henson and Madam Diane Castillejo. Pakinggan nyo po ang tamang balita o tamang informasyon sa kaso po na ito. Sama-sama po natin panoorin.
A California jury found favored Paradigm in their case, which they filed is the breach of contract against Pacquiao, and the jury ruled 9-3 in favor of Paradigm and ordered Pacquiao to pay.
Alright, so yun po muna, no? So tama po yung sinabi doon ni Miss Diane Castillejo. Jury ruling po yun, yung 9-3, no? Nandun kami last time nung meeting po namin and napag-usapan din po yun. This was also discussed by the Philippine lawyers of Senator Manny Pacquiao. Pero ang nag-aasikaso po nito yung mga US lawyers ni Sir Manny. So pakinggan po natin. Maganda po ito. Ito po ay galing sa channel po ni Sir Quinito Henson and Ma'am Diane Castillejo. Play It Right. Check nyo po yun sa YouTube. So panoorin po natin.
$5.1 million as of now. That's what they've ordered. The court awarded 1.8 million in damages. At the same time, they ordered Pacquiao to return the 3.3 million in advance that he received, supposedly from the sports management group. So the Pacquiao has not really responded yet. We just know that they're going to be appealing. I believe Manny's US lawyers are going to be appealing, and apparently there are still many legal issues, and they still have many things that they feel should have been heard that weren't heard. Manny was in the States for a couple of days during the Garcia Gervonta fight, and he actually testified in court, I believe, for 2 days. The first day was like 6 hours, the second day a couple of hours. And so the lawyers have been ordered back on June 6th again, and for Team Pacquiao, it's not over. Quinito.
Ayan.
Yeah, it's far from over. I think there are many.
Alright, so ito po, narinig nyo, yung sabi ni Sir Quinito Henson, yeah, it's far from over, kagaya po nung nauna ko na pong mga ipinost po sa inyo. Kasi, usually mga idol, yung mga ganyan pong press release sa media, hindi ko naman pong sinasabi na ito po ay pakawala, no, o tawag dito, na komisyon yung mga members ng media to report this. Hindi naman natin sinasabi yan, pero nangyayari talaga yan. Kumbaga may mga PR na tinatawag, no? So kumbaga wala pang final judgment, meron palang botohan. Kagaya nito, yung jury bumoto ng 9-3 in favor of Paradigm. Para, to look your opponent look bad, you will, some kind of, di ba, parang i-commission mo yung mga, mga ibang mainstream to report the said result of voting, although wala pa namang final decision. Sige, pakinggan natin si Dean Quinito Henson.
Issues here. First of all, yung Paradigm promised to deliver $4 million to Pacquiao. No?
Okay.
It was short of that, and the money did not come from Paradigm; it came from another source. And two Filipino businessmen actually raised the money, and so they were the ones who paid Pacquiao, and in exchange for commissions to be shared with Paradigm.
Okay.
So, mali yung Paradigm to say that they gave the money to Pacquiao. They did not. No money came out of Paradigm.
Alright, so yan po din, nasabi din po ni Sir Sean yan, galing sa ibang entity, no? Actually, mga Pilipino din, businessman, yung sinasabing, in layman's term, no? Parang down payment o paunang bayad. Pero tama si Sir Quinito doon, actually, pagka sila nang sinasabi ni Sir Sean dito, na hindi po galing direkta po doon sa Paradigm yung pera. And then ayun nga, may mga upcoming hearings pa, at yung may butas daw po kasi doon sa kontrata, no. Maraming na-promise din yung kabila na hindi naman din natupad, na inasahan din ng ating Senador Manny Pacquiao, no. So, pakinggan pa natin yung mga sabi ni Dean Quinito Henson. Masyadong maraming alam dito si Dean kasi personal po niyang nakakausap din, direkta, si Senator Manny Pacquiao, at parte siya sa ilang mga meetings po ni Senator Manny Pacquiao. So, pakinggan po natin.
Wait, yung sinasabi ng 3.3 million na binayaran kay Pacquiao, it was $2 million and 49 million pesos. So, part of it is in Philippine currency. Okay. Now, next is, we also have to see the legality of the contract.
So, ano yan?
it was $2 million and 40
Ulit
the
talaga.
paradigm. So, mali yung paradigm to say that they gave the money to Pacquiao. They did not. No money came out of paradigm. And by the way, yung sinasabi ng 3.3 million na binayaran kay Pacquiao, it was $2 million and 49 million pesos.
Pesos.
Part of it is in Philippine currency.
Okay.
Now,
2 million 2 million 49 ba yun, sabi? Ano yun? Hindi ko nagets
it
yun.
was $2 million and 49 million pesos.
Pesos.
Part of it is in Philippine currency. Okay. Now,
249 million pesos currency na. So hindi siya US dollars. Anyway. Sige, ito may mga nalalaman tayo dito kay Dean. Siyempre, close din to kasi kay Senator Manny, no? Kahit noon pa si Dean Quinito Henson.
next is we also have to see the legality of the contract of Paradigm with Pacquiao because
Okay.
that appears to be flawed. So,
Alright.
well, Manny Pacquiao's lawyer, Bruce Cleland, will be looking into that. I think several motions are now on the table of the presiding judge, who's Walter Schwarm in Orange City, California. So, there will be a ruling on those motions on the table while the jury has decided and on these yung damages and for Senator Manny to pay back a certain
But they're
amount.
also asking for like lawyers' fees, I think, of an additional 2 million.
That's right. If you add everything, it might amount to about $8 million. So, I think there was a move by the Pacquiao camp to come up with a settlement. Ano, pag-usapan na natin ito,
Yeah.
as they say. Is that,
Pero hindi pumayag.
unfortunately, the lawyer of Paradigm, Judd Burstein, who represented Pacquiao in 2005
Murad
in his
Muhammad.
case against Murad Muhammad, refused. So now,
So
instead
ito,
of
ayan
getting...
po, yun, matagal na din po namin naitanong yan kay Sir Sean. So, dati pa po nag-offer ng settlement yung Team Pacquiao sa Paradigm, pero ayaw nila ng settlement. So, gusto nila laban talaga. Ngayon po, actually, iba po yung balitang lumabas sa kung ano po yung current state ngayon. Actually, mas lamang po na mananalo po si Senator Manny Pacquiao sa laban na ito because flawed nga daw po yung kontrata, no? So, yun ay didinggin pa sa June, ano? At syempre nakagulat din. Biglang may gantong lumbas. Of course, syempre, pa-press release din nung kabila para to make Senator Manny look bad. Pero, sabi nga nila, Sir Sean, it looks like we're winning, sabi ni Sir Sean. So, pagpatuloy natin.
what settlement they could have gotten from Senator Manny, they could end up with nothing.
Ngayon.
Because if Manny Pacquiao wins this case in the end, and it looks like things are moving his way, because parang technicality, technicality issue will be raised and
So, sabi lang doon ni Din Quinito, siyempre, nag-offer ng settlement, ayaw ninyo. Now, it might end up na wala ni singkong duling na makukuha itong Paradigm because it is highly possible na mananalo pa. Yan po ang katotohanan na mananalo pa. Highly possible na manalo pa si Senator Manny Pacquiao sa laban po na ito, no?
magiging void yung kontrata ng Paradigm with Senator Manny. So when that happens, blank ang Paradigm. But let's wait. Let's hope for the best. Whatever is
And for sure, syempre, ito po ay mga opinion lamang naman, ano, syempre ang last say dyan, dun sa hurado, yung judge na talaga pong magdedesisyon na ito pong civil lawsuit po na ito.
in the best interest of Senator Manny, it's not true that he was dishonest. Yung lumalabas sa media na galing sa Paradigm, hindi walang katotohanan yun that that Manny falsified or breached his contract. Wala. Actually, it was, if there was any contract at all, Paradigm did not deliver. They promised kasi to deliver a fight against McGregor and attack.
Yan, okay. So good point din po yan ni Din Quinito kasi doon din po sa kontrata nila na pinirmahan, hindi lang po si Senator Manny yung hindi nakatupad sa usapan or allegedly, no, na hindi umano na fulfill yung pinagkasunduan. Pati din po yung kabilang panig kasi they promised the McGregor fight. Pati yung isa pa, si Garcia, yung Mikey Garcia, hindi din po nangyari. So, 'di ba? Ano, for Senator Manny, alangan naman mag-antay siya sa wala. So may offer sa PBC, eh di, 'di ba? Alangan namang ano ka, mag-aantay ka, wala kang nadi-deliver sa iyo. So 'yon.
And then they promised to deliver a fight against Mikey Garcia, hindi natuloy. So ano naman ang gagawin ng Pacquiao? Kung walang mabigay na laban ang Paradigm, so he signed up to fight first Errol Spence and then
Ugas.
Dennis Ugas. So I don't think you can fault Manny Pacquiao for that. But anyway, let the lawyers decide what's
Yes.
best. Pero,
Okay, so kanya-kanya may punto. O, hindi mo ika na-fulfill yung aming ating kondisyon. Sa part namin, lugi kami. Kay Senator naman, hindi nyo nabigay yung promise nyo na laban. So, pagbabasihan yung kontrata na pagkasunduan, sabi ng mga attorney ni Sir Manny, posible na, di ba, mag-saside kay Senator Manny yung pinaka-pinal na desisyon. But again, pabayaan po natin at antayin po natin yung desisyon ng judge dito po sa civil lawsuit na ito. But anyway, masayang makapanood po ng mga ganitong mga opinions, no? Coming from the legit individuals, kagaya po ni Dean Quinito Henson, ni Ma'am Diane Castillejo, na, di ba, for the longest time, may bahagi na din po ng, hindi lang ito, no? Kundi napakarami pa, ang dami pang mga nagdaang mga pagdinig dati sa karera ni Senator Manny Pacquiao, the Mayweathers, yung pang sa kanyang former promotions. So, di ba? Mas alam nila to eh. So, maiging pinapakinggan natin tong mga ganito, no? At hindi tayo agad padalos-dalos na, di ba, maniwala agad dun sa mga binabalita.
yung po masasabi natin, hindi pa po final itong judgment ng jury. There are many motions on the table of the president.
Hindi pa po final ang judgment ng jury. Sabi po nung abogado ni Sir Manny na nandun kami, the judgment or the voting of the jury is like a suggestion dun sa judge, no? Pero hindi pa po yun yung final na decision.
Judge. And there will be rulings that we can expect within the next month or so
June
that
daw.
should clarify things about this. But we can't believe everything that's being put in media because parang ang daming mga nilalabas sa paradigm to put Senator Manny in a bad light. And
Ayun.
it's so unfair.
Isa pa pong punto 'yon, no. Maraming baka pinapa-PR, pinapa-press release ng kabila. Sabi ko kanina, no, to make Senator Manny look bad, ano. So, medyo unfair lang naman 'yon kasi si Senator Manny magsasalita siya kapag daw kapag pinal na yung